This 2024 Forest River Work and Play 21LT is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Canterbury, Connecticut, 06331 and is offered for sale by Souza Wholesale Trailers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.